Welcome to Analysis Prime University. My name is Michael Quinn, and I am a Senior Analytics Training Consultant with Analysis Prime University. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a new story in SAP Analytics Cloud, how to select a dataset or model from which you will build your story, create a simple bar column comparison chart, and finally, save your story. Once you are in your tenant, you can go up to the navigation bar and expand it, and then select the Stories app. For this tutorial, we are going to use a responsive page. In this pop-up around design mode, we are going to choose the classic design experience. In another tutorial, we'll discuss the two design modes. I'm going to select Create. You will notice that by default, I get two lanes or two workspaces. And what I am going to do is I'm going to grab one of them and just kind of move it over top of the other one. I'm going to give it a title, and then I can click away. I want to make sure that I click in this other lane. You'll know that you've clicked in it when you see the color change. And then I'm going to choose the Insert a Chart icon. I will be prompted to select a data set or model from which I will create my story. I will choose the training model that I'm going to use. And you will see now that it has created a widget in which I can create my chart. These charts are very easy to move or rearrange. In the Builder panel, I am going to go under Chart Structure Comparison, and I will select a bar or column. Under Orientation of the chart, I'm going to select Vertical, and then I will need to add a measure and a dimension. The measure that I'm going to select is net income, and the dimension that I am going to add is time. As you can see, I've now got this chart, and if I hover over it, it will give me the information in a small screen. However, what I want to do with this is I'm going to choose the Set the Drill, and I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to move it down one level. And what it will do is it will show me the year-over-year information. I'm going to expand this so that we've got a better view of it. And now you can see the net income over time for each year. And if I hover over a specific year, you can see that information displayed. And if I wanted to title this page of this story, I could title it Net Income Annually. When you are happy with what you have created, then what you will do is you want to save it. So you will go up to File and Save. And I am going to save it into a folder that I've previously created. I'll give it a name, and I will select OK. I get a prompt that the story has been saved, but if you wanted to check that, you could go back to the home page. And two ways to verify it, I could go into Files, and then the folder, and you can see that it has been created. Or the other way is to click on Stories, and I will get a prompt that shows here's a recent story that I've created. And if I click on it, here is the story that I've created. In this tutorial, we covered how to create a new story in SAP Analytics Cloud, how to select a data set or model from which you will build your story, how to create a simple bar column comparison chart, and finally, how to save your story. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, click the like button below. You can also view our growing catalog of self-paced courses, tutorials, webinars, and join the community forum by creating your free account at analysisprimeuniversity.com.